All right, welcome back to week 4, day 3, part 2. Let's jump right into it so we don't waste any time. Number 3, a kitchen sink holds about 40 liters of water. What could hold more than 40 liters of water? Circle the letter of the correct answer. So if we want something that holds more than 40 liters, we need something that's bigger than a kitchen sink. Okay? So let's look, we have a bathtub. It's definitely bigger, and this probably would be, everybody would jump and say A. But let's keep going. We want to make sure there's nothing maybe bigger than a bathtub. Okay. A cooking pot, so that'd be something your parents cook with. And I know for me, when I wash dishes, my pot fits in my sink. So the pot probably and most definitely holds less than the 40 liters. A coffee cup is much smaller than the sink. So that would hold less than 40 liters. And a cereal bowl is smaller than a sink. So that would hold less than 40 liters. So that leaves us with a bathtub. Number 4. Last page, guys, and then we're all done. This juice dispenser has 3 liters of juice in it. All right. About how many liters does this juice dispenser hold when it is full? Circle the letter of the correct answer. So if I'm looking, it's already got 3 liters in here, and to me it looks like it's about half full already. So half of this container is 3 liters. So another half would be another 3 liters. So this bottom part holds 3, and it's halfway, so that probably means this top part also holds 3. So 3 plus another 3 would give us 6 liters, which would be C. Another way we can look at this is we can also do a process of elimination. This already holds 3 liters. So we know A would not be our answer, because if it already has 3 liters in it, we know it definitely holds more than 2 liters. B would not be our answer, because it already has 3 liters in here. So if we were to add more, it would go past it, which would leave us with 6 and 10. And then from there, that's where we made our deduction that, well, it's halfway. So we add another 3 and we get 6. Number 5. About how many liters of water can the large jug hold? Circle the letter of the correct answer. So if we're looking at the large jug, we want to estimate about how many of these water bottles would fit in here. So let's take a look. We know that one jug or one bottle of water is 1 liter. The jug is pretty big in comparison to our bottle of water. So I know that the whole bottle would fit in here and still leave us room. So half a liter would mean half the bottle. I'm pretty sure, and I'm definitely sure, that more than half would fit. 1 liter. Well, I know if I pour a liter into here, the whole bottle, I would still have room for more. 2 liters. The jug is still pretty big, so I think even if I pour another bottle, I would still have room in here, which leaves me with 8 liters. So I would think maybe about 8 bottles. Think about it. If you put from here to here, if you lay this down, it'll probably take up this much. And if we kind of mark about how much, we would probably get close to 8 liters of water in the jug. So number 5 is D. And then it says to explain how you estimated the answer to problem 5. So number 6, so I estimated my answer by looking at the size of the jug in comparison to the water bottle, which is what we did. And then we know that the jug is much larger than the liter, so we know that we would get more than 1 bottle of water in there. The jug is much larger than the water bottle, so I know that I would be able to fit more than 1 liter of water in the jug. This means that A and B would not be correct. All right, and then we looked at C, and we determined that even after putting 2 liters of water, we would still have more than enough room. So, I estimated that 2 liters of water would still not fill the jug up, which left me with answer D, 8 liters of water. All right, I know that's a lot, so you can go ahead and pause so that way you can get your full answer down. Last question, and then we are done for the day. It says, look closely at the 1 liter bottle and the large jug in problem 5. So we're going back here. Explain how to estimate the fraction of the large jug that can be filled with 1 liter of water. So this is like the problem with our fish tank from the day before. So remember or from day 1. So remember when we had the fish tank, we estimated about how much filled up, 1 liter filled up, and we kind of marked the length for the same amount until we got to the top. And then what we did was we counted how many sections we had, and that gave us our fractional pieces. So we could do the same thing here. So I can estimate how much 1 liter would take up in the jug. Then I would mark the same amount on the side of the jug until I reached the top. The number of times I marked would be how many fractional pieces I had. There we go. And then, so let's make sure we answer the problem. So then it says, explain how to estimate the fraction of the large jug that can be filled with 1 liter of water, which we did. But let's add in there, let's add one more piece. So if I had 8 sections, or 8 marks, we'll say 8 marks on the jug, then I know the 1 liter of water takes up 1/8 of the jug. And this is because we had 8 equal parts marked on the jug, and we're only looking at 1 of those equal parts. Alright guys, great job today. We are done. We're going to stop at 246. We're only doing 4 pages today. Tomorrow for day 4, we will do the next 4 pages. Remember, we're taking it a whole lot slower. Now that you're done, make sure you click on the exit ticket that is found in the video description, and then we want you to get on iReadyMath for 15 to 20 minutes today. Remember, it's very important that we get that 60 minutes a week, minimum a week. If you don't have your 60 or you're not close to your 60, let's make sure we are working towards that. This is very important, and we cannot stress it enough. So again, exit ticket and then iReadyMath. And if you need help, please reach out to your math teacher. Great job, guys. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.